Before we start today's video, I have an important announcement to make. If you too are thinking of studying abroad, you can download a university shortlist by signing up from the link in the pinned comments or the description box, and it is completely free of cost. So make sure you check it out. Now let's start with today's video.
Hi, I'm Hiral, a lawyer and a content creator. I did my undergrad from New Law College, Bharati Vidyapith Deemed University, Pune. And right now, I'm in the city of London pursuing my master's in international business law. The reason why I chose this course was because it gave me a wide range of LLM modules to choose from. Few of my modules include banking and fintech, mergers and acquisitions, international commercial law, etc. So the fees for this course is 25 lakh INR, and rent and other expenses included, it goes up to 40 lakh INR. I haven't taken any student loan for the same. And about my lifestyle expenses here in London, I do part-time jobs in cafes, restaurants, etc. and do some apps like Stints and Meetflex and stuff, which give me around 150 to 200 pounds per week. And that is quite decent to live a lifestyle here in London. Now I know looking at so many courses, so many modules to choose from, what to take, what to choose, it can be difficult, it can get a little overwhelming. But just spend some decent amount of time, go through the modules, see what fits for you, and spend a good amount of time understanding the modules, and you should be good to go. Well, if I have to talk about my course, I think I'm thoroughly enjoying it. I'm not going to tell you it's easy, that's for sure, but my professors here are really good. They are thoroughly learned people. Few of them have even written books and multiple research papers, and getting their insights in your presentations and work, it's crazy. It's one of the best things. A little tip that I'd like to give y'all is that choose your modules on day one itself during your induction week. There is something called the capping system out here, in which you are selected in a particular module on first come first basis only. So if you don't select your modules at the earliest, then there are chances that you might not even get through it. So choose your modules at the earliest. So my course is a 1-year course, and after my course completes, I get a 2-year PSW visa, which is a post-study work visa. Now, if I am unable to secure a job before the completion of my course, and if I wish to stay back and look for a job here, I'm eligible to do that. So I'm in corporate and fintech, which is an industry that will surely never die. It is a booming industry, and the job prospects in this are crazy. If you play your cards right, I'm sure you can secure a vacation scheme, an internship, or a training contract at least for sure. Well, if you are looking forward to go to QMUL or my course particularly, I would highly recommend it. The professors, the careers department, the staff, everyone is super helpful. The people who you're going to meet here are going to be lifelong friends for sure. I can tell you that for sure. Okay guys, that's it from my side. I hope y'all enjoyed watching this video. If y'all did, don't forget to like the video. Please drop in any comments or any questions you would like to ask me. I'm gonna try to reply to as many of them. And don't forget to subscribe to Leap Scholar for more such amazing videos. Cheers, bye!